Hi, everyone. Mostly we all may notice actually this on create option menu is deprecated. So we can't use this anymore. It's not a good coding policy, good way of using that one. So the alternative of on create option menu is that I'm using this instance in the fragment. So actually most of you people using default app bar or default menu in Android applications means you may use this one. So the alternative option for this one is we have to the thing is we have a host menu in activity, so we have to get the host menu of an activity to fragment. So how to get that one? For let's see where menu host. So menu host is there. We will get the menu host which like record which activity, record activity, which activity have the app bar, we will get that activity. So if you see, we have in menu host we have one provider is called add menu provider. So we can add the add menu provider. For that we have to create a add menu provider. There is a two way you can do in eventually inside that one. Otherwise we can provide like actually this is a clear code thing. You can use this one also. This is like menu provider. So so we have to implement, this is the interface, so we have to implement the two methods. So actually this is the method of uh, menus. So the thing is this one we can return false. So actually the same method, same on create menu methods, but we are using by this. So we can add this menu provider in the add menu provider. Followed by this, for creating menu, just whatever you are doing inside the on create menu, you just copy and paste it over here. We have to change this inflator name to here. So I am just running here. It's running. So you can see in copy and delete I have uh, two options like calendar menu and logout menu. So in that one is showing up here, you can see that. Let's see, we don't need this one. We don't need this overrun function no more, so we can delete this one and we can run. So this is for a fragment. So as well as we can do this one actually as like that, as it is we can do it for fragment. The only point is for see, it is working fine. So in fragment you don't want to get like this, you can directly use this add menu provider and use it. We just copy this menu provider from here and we'll go to this one and menu provider. So in fragment in activity you can add menu provider and menu provider, you can add this one. So this is a deprecated playlist we started right now. So all deprecated methods, functions, everything will be continuing in this playlist. So stay tuned. Yeah, thank you.